Okay, went out to fly this morning, turned it all on, all beautiful, had everything, all the telemetry, but no actual picture from the camera. This was blue, but no actual image coming through. So what I had to do, I came home, unplugged the battery, as you saw in the first bit of the video. This was still glowing blue, even though the power was out. So if I shut her down, right, so it's still glowing blue. Now she's off. That didn't turn off. That stayed on for about 15 minutes. So what I had to do is right in here, it's a little reset button, just there. Get the old trusty incense stick or paper clip. I reset it, kept it there. The blue light phased off. I gave an extra 2 pushes, started it back up, and beautiful, she's back to working. So if you have a camera lock where you have full telemetry but no actual image coming through, power it off, remove the battery, and then just reset it here, and that should fix your camera issue. This is the version 3 2K camera. I've had no other issues except for that, so let's hope that fixes you and get you flying. Happy days.